What else are you thinking?
No, man, I think
You think we're ready to
I think we're ready.
fire this puppy up or what?
I think so, man. Do we know if the gauges work in the front?
We don't. I was thinking about that temperature gauge
Yeah,
too,
that's what I'm
man.
saying.
Gotta be careful with
Might
that.
have to run another one.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and give a little update here. All right, so we've been chumming away here at the truck, and we got the radiator fan bolted up. Bought some bolts this morning. Got that sucker pulled on, and then we also worked on the transmission lines, the cooling lines. We put those to the radiator. We kind of fought with those for a while. We got those hooked up here on the radiator and the transmission. We went to the store real quick, got ourselves a little thermostat. We just put some silicone on it, right?
Yep, it's good, man. The transmission lines had a hard time, but little food for thought. Put those things in there before you drop the whole transmission in there, because that's what makes it very complicated to reach. But we got it in there. Luckily, the drive shaft was off, so we could flex in there a little bit. But besides that, everything was just pretty cake. Lining up those lines into the radiator. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to get started, man. Knock it out, see what's up, see if it heats up or not.
Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some water in it for now to the radiator cooling system, just to kind of flush it out and see if it's circulating. And then after that, we'll go ahead and throw some actual antifreeze in it. Back at it with the flame, huh?
Back at it with the flame. This time we won't torch up anything that we're not supposed to.
All right.
Working on these U-joints. Trying to get everything back together. They have these plastic injected type U-joints. Just gotta put some heat to it. Old buddy said they're not right out.
There he goes. Looks like the U-joint took a dump. Ready? Go ahead.
Hit that shit.
Are the clips? You took the clips off, right?
Yeah. Hit that shit like you mean it. There you go.
Damn, one hitter quitter, dude. What?
Put some back into that shit.
Eee. Oh, dude, no, hombre. I would have been there all day, dude. There we go, perfect. Check that out. Jack stand set up. About to pour some antifreeze up in here.
That's it, guys.
Pouring some antifreeze up in the engine. We got the drive shaft bolted up. We didn't record any of that, but
Yeah, it was a pain, guys. The first universal joint we got from online, it didn't fit. So you're gonna go buy another one that actually fits a little bigger than the front one. So if you guys are wondering, don't buy the same ones. Even if they say they're the same, they're not. The rear one is a little different, man. The one with the yoke, that's the standard size. You can get any one, man. But when it comes to the rear one, it's too big.
there's nothing leaking, right?
So I was thinking,
I don't see nothing. Filling her up with some water.
yeah, whatever's left over. We'll give it a flush at the end just to get any hand mud that we left behind in there or whatever. All right, guys, here we are at about we're at about 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. We're out here working hard. 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning. We're about to start this bad boy. You ready?
Go for it, dude.
Look at the radiator.
Give it some gas. Some gas.
Oh my god.
Get some more gas. Again. Get some more. Alright, it's cut.
How's the radiator? How's the water?
It's going.
Got it or what?
Got it.
Got it.
Got it. Yeah, boys.
Yeah, dude.
Right. Fuck yeah, dude. Man.
Woo! Fucking smells like exhaust in here.
Fuck yeah, dude. I'm excited, bro. Fuck, after a whole ass year, bro.
Were we leaking anything? Anything fucking coming out?
Man.
We got a little bit right there on the valve covers, I think. Oh no, that was because I dropped it from when we were putting oil in it. I think so too, man. They probably like, ah! Fuck yeah, dude. Give it a little start. We actually held the start for that for a couple of, what was that, about a minute? About a minute. Hell yeah, dude.
Gotta get those exhausts hooked up, man.
Yeah,
so it can
man.
sound better.
Dude, that sucker's loud.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yes, sir.
Lost for words, bro.
Lost for words, man.
After a whole ass year, we busted our asses on this thing, man. It's possible, man. It's possible. Man.
Just two guys, fucking got a...
Minimal tools.
Yep, minimal tool.
We're in my garage, guys, on the west side of
Yeah,
San
man.
Antonio, deep 160490, bro. We're just two regular guys reading, researching, and learning, you know, asking advice and stuff, man. And minimal tools, man. I'm talking minimal. I'm talking with some Harbor Freight tools or some cheaper tools,
Yep.
man. You know? And here we are, rebuilding engines,
Yep.
all the way down to the pistons. We got everything, you know. It's emotional for me, man. This
Yes,
is
sir.
badass, man. We
Yes,
got
sir.
knocked out. Hell yeah, dude. I think I'm finding my passion, man, to be honest.
There we go.
Yeah, man. I like
Yep.
it. Cool, man. Good stuff.
Yep, looking pretty good. There's nothing of concern that we see yet.
Nope, no leaks.
No leaks, no nothing.
It sounded fine.
It sounded all right.
Yep. We just gotta hook up those exhausts so we can hear that good rumble.
Yeah, we don't have the headers hooked up, or the whole pipe actually. This is open header right now.
just open.
So we got that, and we got the drive shaft put on today.
Yeah, the drive shaft was kind of a pain in the ass, man, but
Yeah.
you don't need no special tools, man. Don't let no video or nobody tell you special tools. We did it with a mallet, a screwdriver,
And just some heat
and
to
some
take them
heat.
out.
Yeah, I used the a camping propane tank that I use for camping for a light. That's all I did to melt all the wax out of that U-joint.
Yeah.
That's all it took. Easy, simple, man, simple. Don't let this stuff scare you guys. This stuff's simple, man. All it takes is time, though. I'll give you that. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. Don't let these videos and movies, you know, flip you out saying, "Oh, we'll rebuild tomorrow." Nah, it's not like that, guys. You guys gotta take your time, patience, and take it day by day. And it's nice, guys. When you hear a roar like that, trust me, you'll know what I'm thinking right now. It's be like, man, that's it.
That's it. That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Hell yeah. That gauge is all right. Oil pressure. That one's working. That gauge. Battery.
Give it a little gas. A little bit. All right, guys, we're back. It's raining. It's a rainy day out here. Finally got the hood back on. We're gonna see if this thing turns on. We we filled the transmission up with transmission fluid. Look at this stunning guy with his man bun going, man. All right, guys, here we are. Haha,
Baby steps or what?
baby steps. It took a whole year, but baby steps.
Yeah, so you told him about the transmission fluid, right?
Yeah. So the transmission wouldn't engage in gear when we were trying to put it in park, drive, reverse. That was our fault. We didn't fully fill up the transmission fluid. After we filled it right up, it kicked into a gear. Trying to prep the system right now. We're about to take out the truck, see if it moves. This is the first time it actually comes out of the garage since the last time it was out.
On its own.
On its own, yeah, without pushing it. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna turn it around and put the front end inside the garage. That way we can work in the dry area, let it burp out good, and we'll go from there.
All right.
Give it a shot. Give it a shot. It's dead again. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Don't do that to me again, man. It's dead. It's locked. Come this way. Come this way a little bit. There you go. A little bit, a little bit. Now go ahead. Start turning that way. Let me check that side. Let me check that side. Alright, you're good. You're good on this side. How do you feel, man? Hell yeah, go for it. Hey, the radar cap's not on, so don't go crazy. There you go. What's wrong with the power steering? Is it hard or what? Careful. It's not going at all? Put it in neutral? Nothing? Try not to get this right.
What happened? Oh, okay. Well, now what do we do? Shit. That was all organic. Now we don't have that. Now we're just faking it at this point.
I know.
Anyways,
fuck. You can't fake this hair though.
I know, man. You can't fake that hair. That beard either, man. You can't fake that. Freaking.
Alright, guys. So, like he said.
So, like I said, I forgot to hit the record button. We recorded this badass little outro.
No,
and,
man. So now for that, he said we're faking it now.
Yeah. Anyways, so we took it around the block. It made its first successful little trip around. No problems. The transmission shifted, but we did find out that the transmission won't engage into reverse. So we got to figure that out. But we're figuring it out and moving along. But this is first baby steps. Finally took it around the block, got it moving on its own, and we're just gonna start putting it back together, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Figuring it out.
We'll figure out that transmission problem later on, man.
All right, sounds good. Anyways, peace, guys. Same way, just hold that black button and then turn the key. Just push it in. Bring it slow, bring it slow. This way, towards me. Keep coming straight. Keep coming. You got room. Keep coming. Now more.